Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Mayank Singh Chauhan. Welcome to the tutorial series where we are going to learn programming in Python. I am going to assume you guys have no experience in programming. We would be starting from the basics of everything. Initially, I thought that I'd lay out the course content here, but then I realized since I'm assuming zero programming experience, most of the terms would seem senseless to me. And that is perfectly okay. I remember when I started learning programming, I used to look at my textbook and wonder what do these terms even mean? But slowly, every piece of this giant puzzle fell into its correct place. And here I am teaching you to program. Let's just say that you're beginning from scratch, and after doing this series, you would be able to write your own program by yourself without any extra online help. Let's take a moment and ask ourselves, why Python? Well, Python, as they say, is a very easy language for beginners. You can do all the stuff that you do in languages like C++ and Java in fewer lines of code. You must be thinking, hey Mayank, you just said that Python is good for beginners. Does that mean we can't build complex programs in it? Well, let me assure you, don't let the simplicity of this language fool you. This language is a beast, and when I say it, I mean it. You can do all sorts of things in this language. Well, let me open up the Python website and show you some of its great applications. I would open another new tab here and just head on to www.python.org. Well, in the About section, I'll click on Applications, and here we see this language can be used for internet development. This language can be used for AI, machine learning, scientific and numerical calculations. As this language is good for beginners, they have written various books on it. We can build many GUI applications in it. Now we can't start coding anything in Python unless we have it on our systems, right? So let's just scroll up and click on Downloads button here. I would download Python 3.6.5. Now you may see it has begun downloading here. I had already downloaded this one. This is just a 30 MB file, not a really great one. So I click on the downloaded file, click Add Python 3.6 to path. I will tell you what this does in later videos, and click on Install now. Click Yes, give the proper permissions, and this is installing. Well, this would take some time. After about a minute or two, you would land on this screen. It would say setup is successful. Now you may want to click on this one, disable path length limit. Again, this is something that you would not understand right now, but we'll come to it in the later videos. Close this one. Now you may want to check whether we have installed Python correctly or not. So what you can do is click on the start menu here. You would find a new folder named Python created somewhere. Yes, click on this one. Now I want you to open up IDLE, idle. This is open up right here. Let's minimize this Chrome window and see, this is the Python shell. Well, we'll talk more about what does idle even mean, what does it do, how can we make use of this shell, how can we write programs in Python in the upcoming videos. Until then, take some rest. This is me, Mayank Singh, signing off. Thank you for watching.